Guys, welcome to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I share a really beautiful transformation of a Walmart mirror to make it more glamorous. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get into it. Walmart usually carries those full body mirrors for only $6 and they have several different colors. I chose the white. To get the project started, I'll go ahead and use 2 of those wooden wall decors and get them ready for spray paint. I add painter tips all around the borders and I'll be using a white Rust-Oleum spray paint. And once it was all dry, I cut into size some of this white contact paper to cover it. I cut off any excess contact paper and I'll be using a gold tape to cover the borders. Focus on covering only 3 sides. I set that aside and I then took this metal flower. I'll go ahead and remove the hanging parts and get it ready for spray paint. Once it was all dried up, I used acrylic gels to decorate it. If you're here for the first time, it is so good to have you here. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. For the middle part, I'll be gluing this beautiful crystal knob. I will also be using those Hexagon mirrors that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'll go ahead and take one of them and glue the metal flowers in the middle of it. Let's go ahead and put everything together. So I'll go ahead and use this Loctite Epoxy to glue everything on the Walmart mirror. I started by mixing the 2 parts together, and one thing I did realize is it dries pretty quickly, so I will recommend that you go ahead and do it in small sections at a time. I'll go ahead and start with this piece. So what I do is place the epoxy all around the corners of it, and I'll go ahead and place it at the very top part of the mirror. I cautiously add it to the mirror to avoid any smudges. Next, I go ahead and place the remaining pieces to see where I would have liked them before I go ahead and permanently glue them to the mirror. embellish our nail shells, I'll go ahead and use this jewel border sticker. To add more into it, I'll be using those Hexagon self-adhesive mirror tiles. I just placed a few of them down, and I will also be using the gold tape to put around the inside of the mirror. This is the final piece, you guys. It turned out so beautiful. I am in love with it. The gold and the white is so nice together, and to think that you can make this any color that you really want, any color that will match your home decor. I really love this piece, and I hope you guys enjoy this project. If so, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.